law enforcement agencies use body-worn cameras and dash cams to record traffic stops for various reasons. These recordings serve to provide an objective account of the interaction, which can be crucial in resolving disputes and ensuring accountability. The recordings can protect both the officer and the driver by documenting the behavior and actions of each party, potentially mitigating claims of misconduct or abuse. Legally, officers are generally allowed to film in public spaces, including during traffic stops, as these interactions occur in areas where there is no reasonable expectation of privacy. This aligns with the principle that individuals in public do not have the same privacy rights as they do in their homes. The footage captured by officers can also be used as evidence in legal proceedings, providing a clear and allegedly unbiased recording of the events. However, the use of such recordings is subject to various state and departmental regulations. These regulations often dictate when and how officers should activate their cameras, how long the footage should be retained, and who has access to these recordings. Additionally, while officers can film the interactions, they still must respect the driver's rights during the stop. This includes adhering to the legal standards for searches and seizures, ensuring that any questioning or searches conducted are within the boundaries of the law. It's also important to note that drivers, too, have the right to film their interactions with law enforcement officers during traffic stops, as long as they don't interfere with the officer's duties. This mutual ability to record interactions can promote transparency and trust between the public and law enforcement. For more videos like this, please subscribe. Thanks.